Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for November 16 to 30, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. No? Salamat sa inyo sa mga naghintay. So just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook page and TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee shop. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Ayan, and ito yung Leo bracelet. Ayan, available na siya sa box as a packaging. Ayan. So, meron tayong black and meron din tayong white. Ayan. Ang angle kasi ng camera. So, maganda siyang pang regalo. Ayan. Meron siyang info sa likod. Ayan. Link on the description. Of course, available pa rin yung mga naka-pouch. So, kung gusto nyo naka-pouch, iselect nyo lang yung pouch. Ayan. Pakicheck na lang ang link sa ating description. Okay, Leo, what's up? Kumusta kayo? It's been a while. Anong ganap sa mga Leo ngayon? November 16 to 30, Leo. What's up? Oh, Leo. Anong nangyari? You are resting? You are healing? Merong iba, nagkaroon ng painful situation? May disappointment sa matters of the heart. You have the Two of Wands. Meron kang decision making sa ngayon, no? Na you want to take parang meron kang gustong subukan, i-pursue na bagong opportunity na nag-o-open up sa'yo. So, maaring part yan ng iyong healing process. So, yung iba, nagkaroon ng problema sa relationship. And now, you are focusing on yourself. And also, hindi ka lang basta nagmumukmok, no? Iniisip mo rin kung ano pa yung pwede mong gawin para mas maging productive ka. You have the High Priestess. Some of you are highly psychic. You are very intuitive, no? Some of you are using different forms of divination para maghanap ng sagot sa mga tanong ninyo. You may be using tarot or nagpaparead kayo sa iba. Let's see. Oh, the Fool. You are embracing your independence. Ito yung freedom, no? Oo. Na parang feeling mo, itong pagkatapos ng kaguluhan, pagkatapos ng problema, and ngayon ino-open mo yung sarili mo sa mga bagong experiences. You are willing to take the risk. You feel like wala nang mawawala sa'yo eh. You feel na, nothing can be taken away from you. Diba? Let's see what else. You have the Five of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, nagkaroon kayo ng mga misunderstanding, miscommunication with the people around you. Pwedeng sa trabaho ito. Or maybe even with your boss. But with the Queen of Pentacles here, I see that you are very confident sa situation mo ngayon. Lalo na kung merong mga taong nakikipagkompetensya sa'yo sa trabaho, sa negosyo. You feel na kaya mo, no? You feel na bahala sila makipag-compete sa'yo basta ikaw alam mo. You know your worth. You know what you can do. You know your power. Okay? You have Justice. Kung sino man ay may naggawang pagkakamali sa inyo na deliberately sinadya talaga nasaktan ka, you are receiving that justice. Yung katarungan na yan, makukuha mo yan. And this is also clarity in your situation. I feel like you have matured a lot. Oo. Alam mo na kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. So that's why I feel like you are focusing more on yourself, on your career. You are also focused on learning. Oo, may mentorship dito. Maaring sa trabaho, sa career or sa business, may tumutulong sa'yo na mapaunlad yung iyong sarili. Temperance, yes. You are becoming more patient sa sarili mo. May mga bagay na hindi ka na ipinipilit sa ngayon. Kasi alam mo na may mga bagay na hindi ka kontrolado. So, kung ano yung kaya mong i-control, which is yung sarili mo, dun ka lang magfo-focus. Okay? So, let's see what else. For Leo, mid-month. See? You are reclaiming your power. Yes. Yung iba sa inyo ay meron kayong paninindigan eh. Paninindigan nyo yung mga gusto nyong ipaglaban. You have a lot of resources. This makes sense with the Queen of Pentacles kasi yung Queen of Pentacles is someone na alam niya kung paano niya gamitin yung kanyang mga resources. Oo, yung mga kakayanan niya para paunlarin yung sarili niya. You have all the tools that you need right now. So you have nothing to worry about. Meron kasing mga taong i-challenge tayo, yung patience natin, or meron ding mga magkakaroon ng conflict kasi magkakaiba yung pananaw natin sa buhay, ganon. But at the end of the day, you are the only one who can control your emotions and your reactions. Introspection. So ngayon, pinag-iisipan mo yung mga gagawin mo moving forward. You are making sure na yung mga steps mo ay mas calculated. Kasi yung iba sa inyo pwedeng medyo naging yung anong tawag doon? Not actually pabaya, but yung padalos-dalos. Oo. So ngayon, marami ka na natutunan dun sa pagiging padalos-dalos mo. Ngayon, very careful ka na. Some of you may natapos, nag-end na situation, cycle sa buhay ninyo. 'Di ba? May breakup talaga rito. Something ended no? For some of you, loss of a loved one. Okay? But of course, hindi naman magre-resonate para sa lahat. But it feels like may nag-end sa buhay ninyo. And now, you are exploring something new. Kasi pag may ending, merong beginning eh. 'Di ba? And ngayon, mas maingat ka na sa mga i-explore mo na yes, you're going to take a risk, but at the same time, well calculated siya. Okay? The connection to divine guidance is within you. You are divinely guided, Leo. Okay? Divinely guided. Inherent wisdom is emerging at this time. Watch it and ready yourself for a rebirth. O ayun na, bagong ikaw. It's a brand new you. I feel like you will experience more freedom ngayon than before. The time is ripe for creation and connection. Focus your attention in these areas. So, I think some of you will also be even more creative. Meron ka mga explore na mga talents and skills mo kasi you have all the tools that you need eh. Marami kang abilities, marami kang talento, kakayanan, abilidad na kaya mong mas paunlarin pa yung sarili mo. Oh my God, smile na daw kayo because you will soon experience a wonderful journey of inner discovery. Yes, you're going to discover yourself more. The more you try new things, no? Pag meron tayong sinusubukan mga bagong bagay sa buhay natin, mas nadidiscover natin yung sarili natin. 'Di ba? So, that is your reading, Leo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.